Middle school is a transition to go from child into adults. No matter where they will end up, we want them to be prepared for that journey.
The whole yeshiva in general has a great mission to produce B'nai Torah, and we came up with a 7-word mission statement that drives just about every decision that we make here, to ignite the greatness within every student.
Every Rebbe, every teacher, they just find the best in every single student, and that permeates everything that we do here.
Shavar Eshina, break his teeth.
I've been learning Gemara for almost 2 years now, but Rabbi Eisman has especially helped me get a deeper appreciation for it and take it to a new level while preparing for high school.
We're doing a lot more Gemara in time, in content, in depth than they've ever done before. So we really try to make it very exciting because I want the boys to walk away with, wow, learning's awesome.
Today we have over 50 boys who are choosing to learn a few hours a week extra after school's over. And that's really a credit to the Rebbeim who are working on bringing out the joy of learning.
We take great pride in having a general studies department that is cutting edge and getting the boys to go anywhere that they want to go with the skills that they need.
In math, we're learning pre-algebra. Mrs. Tuchinski is a great teacher.
We have 3 levels of every subject in every grade, so we're able to meet boys where they're starting at.
This year we have a brand new program, the Reading and Writing Workshop, which enables the students to literally read and write the majority of the class time.
Boys have a chance to actually write whatever they're interested in with choice in response to their own independent novels.
PE, we have the basketball court on the roof. We also have a big field. Play football, soccer, volleyball, baseball. The games are really nice and competitive, but everyone plays nicely with each other.
We are developing a beautiful program of offering daily minyanim for the boys with Sephardic liturgy, Sephardic Sidurim.
Most important, they're teaching him to be responsible, also about midot tovot, derech eretz. Very nice.
We have this big brother type of program, 8th graders, 7th graders, 6th graders, everybody's really working together, everybody's got each other's back, whether it is academically, whether it's sports, whether it's just patting the guy in the back and saying, good job, good to see you, hi.
We're also a leadership school. We try to find as many opportunities as we can for the boys to have leadership opportunities.
We're not igniting something that is outside of them. It's actually bringing out what is within them and helping them find that greatness.
Every single student is somebody who can grow, who could be worked with. So when they go out into the world and they go to the next step and the next step, they are complete from all aspects, whether it's social skills, whether it's their interaction with their Rebbe, their academics, everything.
To ignite the greatness in every student means to become the greatest person you can be.